Hello, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of crossing this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. It's your girl Ekwa Bellissima. On today's menu, I'm preparing lice soup, and with this lice soup I'm using goat meat, and then with my fresh fish that I just got potted. So this is the ingredient that I'm going to use for my menu for today. So let's start. So I'm using goat meat and a cow neck for my lice soup. That's for my basement of my lice soup. We are preparing carrot lice soup. Right now I'm going to blend my garlic, ginger and then onion. All my items has been already washed. Blend it right now. Add a little bit of water. Okay. My ginger garlic is ready. I'm pouring it into my meat. Use a little bit of water to wash inside my blender. I'm adding my celery, 1 Star Cube and then 1 Maggi Cube. Plus natural spices. My tomato paste. To wash it inside. Okay, and then cut 1/2 onion on it. And cut 1 onion to season my meat. After, make our fish. And a little bit of salt to taste. So I'm putting it on fire. To season it. So I'm going to boil the rest of the item. My onion, Scotch pepper, and then carrots. I'm going to enjoy it with our fufu this hot afternoon. Add a little bit of water and boil it. Checking my meat. We'll leave it for another 15 minutes because it's a little bit tired. As I'm adding my carrots, Scotch pepper and then ginger, the one that I boiled it. Add water, need additional water to it. I'm adding my tomatoes. can use the fresh one, eh? Anyone that you have it available at your home, you can use it. And you stir it. All the ingredients too will be listed below the description box. Don't worry. Guys, just look at our fish. I just done my fish. I'm spicing it with a little bit of fish spices. Taste it good and delicious. We're going to put it inside our soup. Carrot light soup. To be ready soon. Use vinegar to wash the fish. If you don't have lemons in the house, you can use vinegar. Guys, see our light soup. Light soup is ready. Going to enjoy it right now. Ready. Guys, my food is ready. The soup too is taste it. Hey. Come and enjoy your fufu with carrot slice soup. Hello, my people. Our fufu is ready. My fufu is ready. You're going to enjoy it. If today is the first time of watching this channel, please and please don't forget to like this video, share, comment and subscribe to this channel because we have a lot for you. I really love you all. Love you. Let's enjoy it. You are invited. Come and let's eat. Just look at the fish, very fresh one at the open market. Well cooked, very soft. But that's your fufu. That's how we enjoy it. You need to try it, guys.